Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into what might just be the best festive DIY craft set for the holiday season. The 24 Sets Christmas Craft Kits for Kids by Ruicnte. If you're looking to combine creativity, fun, and festive cheer, this one's for you. Let's start with what you get in the box. This is not your average craft set. Ruicnte delivers an all-in-one Christmas snowflake bookmark making kit packed with winter charm. Inside, you'll find 24 complete sets designed to craft elegant, three-dimensional snowflake bookmarks. The main components include 24 foam bookmark bases, each featuring one of 6 intricate snowflake patterns. You also get 24 self-adhesive white foam underlays to layer the bookmarks and create that eye-catching 3D effect. Now comes the fun part, decorating. The kit contains a whopping 192 self-adhesive foam snowflake stickers. That's 144 glittery ones and 48 plain, letting kids mix and match their style. On top of that, 2 sheets of artificial snowflake stickers are included to enhance the frosty winter look. And it wouldn't be a true bookmark without a tassel. Each kit comes with a 12-inch satin ribbon for that perfect finishing touch, plus 24 Christmas gift tags to personalize each piece. Let's talk colors. The bookmarks and stickers stick to a winter-themed palette: blue, light blue, royal blue, turquoise, and silver. It's bright, cheerful, and instantly festive. But what really sets these bookmarks apart is that they're blank canvases. Kids can write names, notes, or doodles on them, making each creation a personal piece of holiday art. In terms of size, the bookmarks are 6 inches long and 2 inches wide, perfect for slipping into a favorite Christmas storybook. The underlay foam stickers are slightly smaller to give a nice bordered look, and the snowflake stickers range from 1 to 1.5 inches in diameter. Everything fits snugly into cellophane gift bags that measure about 8 inches by 2.7 inches and come with twist ties to seal the deal. This kit isn't just for crafting at home. It's a brilliant addition to classroom activities, holiday events, or as fun party favors. They're great for tree decorations, gift box accents, and stocking stuffers. And since everything is pre-cut and easy to assemble with adhesive stickers, even toddlers aged 3 and up can participate with minimal help. What makes this product stand out is how it merges holiday spirit with literacy and creativity. Not only are kids creating festive bookmarks, but they're also encouraged to read, maybe a Christmas bedtime story or a holiday classic. And when the decorations are this charming, you won't want to throw them away. These bookmarks become treasured keepsakes, year after year. So if you're looking for a hands-on holiday craft that's simple, fun, and filled with meaning, the Ruicnte 24 Sets Christmas Craft Kit is a festive win. Whether you're a teacher planning a classroom activity, a parent organizing a Christmas party, or just looking for a unique way to keep the kids busy during the holiday break, this DIY kit checks all the boxes. That's it for today's festive find on Product Critique. If this sounds like the perfect addition to your holiday prep, check it out and let the creativity begin. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for more product reviews just like this. See you in the next one.